Hi guys, we'll be solving an O-level past paper question from the year 2014. The session is October-November. This is question number 1. This question is based on money, percentages and exchange rates. So let's start. In 2013, Mary worked for a company A. Her salary for the year was $18,750. Part 1 says $5,625 of her salary was not taxed. What percentage of her salary was not taxed? All you have to do is you divide 5,625 by 18,750 and multiply this by 100. That way you'll get the amount or the percentage of salary that was not taxed. When you do this, you get 30%. That's your answer to the first part. The next part says the remaining $13,125 of Mary's salary was not taxed. 22% of this amount was deducted for tax. Mary's take home pay was the amount remaining from $18,750 after the tax had been deducted. She received this in 52 equal amounts as a weekly wage. Calculate Mary's weekly wage. The first thing that you had to do is, since this amount of $13,125 is taxable, so you multiply this by 22%. When you multiply this, you get $2,887.5. This is the amount of tax that she has to pay. Now, in order to find the weekly wage, all you have to do is subtract this amount from $18,750. That's the total amount she gets. You subtract 2887.5 and divide that amount by 52. When you plug this into the calculator, the weekly wage comes out to be $305, and you write your answer over here, 305. The next part of the question says, in 2012, Mary had worked for company B. When she moved from company B to company A, her salary increased by 25% to $18,750. Calculate her salary when she worked for company B. So if her new salary, $18,750, was an increment of 25% on the original amount, this should be equal to 125%. But we need to find what is her original amount, and that is X in this case. So you cross multiply 100 by 18,750 and divide that by 125. When you plug this into the calculator, you get $15,000. Her total salary was $15,000. The next part of the question says the rate of exchange between pounds and Indian rupees is 1 pound is to 87.21 rupees. The rate of exchange between pounds and Swiss francs is pound 1 is equal to 1.53 Swiss francs. Part 1 says Mavis changed 750 pounds into rupees. How many rupees did she receive? So if 1 pound is equal to rupees 87.21, then 750 pounds would be equal to X. Cross multiply it, you multiply 750 by 87.21 and this gives you 65,407.5. You write this answer correct to three significant figures. 65,400 rupees. The next part says David changed 450 francs into pounds. How many pounds did he receive? If 1 pound is equal to 1.53 francs, then 450 francs is equal to how many pounds? You divide this. When you divide this, you do 450 divided by 1.53 and your answer comes out to be 294.1176, but you write it up to three significant figures. You write 294 pounds. The last part of the question says Brian changed 50,000 rupees into Swiss francs. How many Swiss francs did he receive? So first you will need to convert rupees into pounds and then from pounds into Swiss francs. So if 1 pound is equal to rupees 87.21, then X pounds would be equal to 50,000 rupees. So let's find out how many pounds this would be. X would be equal to 50,000 divided by 87.21. X comes out to be 573.329 pounds. Now we don't round it off yet, we round off the final answer so that our values do not change. So now if pounds are 573.329, then 1 pound is equal to francs 1.53. Therefore, 573.329 pounds would be equal to how many francs? When we do this, you multiply 573.329 by 1.53. Let me plug this into the calculator. 573.329 times 1.53, and your answer comes out to be 877.19 francs, or 877 francs, up to three significant figures, and we are done with the question. I hope this question made sense. The complete working of the entire question is present in the description below for you to download. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, and thank you so much for watching.